Welcome back. In this section, we learned about a new database that we're going to use called Redis. It's extremely popular and you're going to see a lot of companies using it. So I really wanted us to get comfortable with it. And I also wanted you to get comfortable with it because we're going to add it to our SmartBrain app. You see, up until now, we don't really have a way to manage sessions of the user. That is, a user has to log in every single time, every time they visit the website, and the website doesn't really remember them. We're not really able to update profiles or create profiles and have that ability without sessions. So we're going to be including Redis in our next session to actually show you how we can implement sessions. We're going to add it to our Docker container, which we've created, and then have our API communicate with the Redis server to check if a user is logged in or not, so that we're able to keep users logged in. And this is a bit of a special section because it's going to keep going into the next section because if you remember, Bruno asked us to have these added to our ability of the SmartBrain app or to the ability of the SmartBrain app. And knowing what we just learned about Redis, we're now finally able to add it to our Docker container for development, and then finally connect it to our API. And because Redis is so fast, again, an in-memory data storage, Bruno's going to be extremely happy with us because we found a way not to slow down our website while also keeping these user sessions. Interesting, right? It's going to be a lot of fun when we finally see all of these dots connected. And that's when you're going to have an aha moment. These topics of Docker, Redis, and containers is really, really difficult and really hard to teach because there's so many moving pieces. And I hope you stay patient with me because I know not everything is 100% clear yet. But I promise you, if we'll follow through with the next section, we're going to understand how everything is connected, how everything works, and how you're going to be able to do the same thing on your own projects. So that finally, when you go work for a company, you can have a setup, not just like this for development, but also for production, where you have different Docker containers. You can have different Redis clusters. You can have different database clusters, with the idea being the same. You're just connecting these services together, and each service does one thing really, really well. So stick with me. Looking forward to the next section. I hope you are too. I'll see you in that one. Bye-bye.